What you're seeing here is a quick test of putting resistors with a 4x4 matrix keyboard. I've got 3 resistors so far. The first one seems to be on A, which is giving me 45. Second one is on B, which is now giving me 367. Third one is on, sorry, it's 3 the last one was on. This one's on 2, give me 1038. Fourth one I haven't put on yet, but this is working with a matrix keypad and resistors, and I'll put this through the ADC on the Pi, and that will just allow me to have 2 wires connecting the keypad to the Pi instead of having to connect 8 pins to the Pi.